The Aston Martin V8 Super Cygnet. Brilliantly conceived and uniquely built, the Aston Martin V8 Super Cygnet, we're delighted to premiere for sale, is an extreme accomplishment of Aston Martin's engineering skills and creativity in producing the ultimate city-sized supercar. Never to be repeated, the famed Super Cygnet is being offered for sale for the first time, directly from the first owner. Beautifully finished in Buckinghamshire Green with bespoke Black Alcantara and carbon fibre interior. Conceived and constructed by Aston Martin's engineering and Q by Aston Martin commission services, and built over a 10-month period. Completed and equipped for road use. First registered in 2018, this Super Cygnet V8 debuted at the 2018 Goodwood Festival of Speed, where spellbound spectators and enthusiasts alike were universal in their appreciation and applause when observing this astonishing city supercar sprint up the famed Goodwood hill climb course. One of the most exciting, outrageous and diminutive creations ever to wear the famous Aston Martin wings, the Super Cygnet was built on a comprehensively re-engineered and substantially strengthened right-hand drive Cygnet body shell, incorporating a safety roll cage for additional strength. Built with the renowned Aston Martin V8 Vantage S 4.7-litre and 430 brake horsepower engine, power is delivered through a 7-speed paddle-shifting transaxle transmission to the rear wheels. Vantage S front and rear subframe assemblies, including suspension and ABS braking, were incorporated within the Cygnet's diminutive dimensions. This bespoke client-commissioned Cygnet V8 is fully road-equipped, to a specification which includes refrigerated climate control, a carbon fibre dashboard, Vantage instrumentation, Recaro seating, and a full safety roll cage with a number of unique interior fittings. Quoted with a weight of just 1,375 kilos, including fluids, and with 430 brake horsepower available from the V8 Vantage S 4.7-litre engine, the Super Cygnet has a highly impressive power-to-weight ratio of 313 brake horsepower per tonne, giving acceleration to 60 in just 4.2 seconds and a quoted top speed of 170 miles an hour. Sharing only the production Cygnet's body panels, glazing and lighting, every aspect of the Super Cygnet V8 is unique to this extraordinary example of engineering talent and imagination. Without doubt, unique, extreme and highly enjoyable to drive, the Super Cygnet's place within Aston Martin's Hall of Fame and back catalogue of greats is unquestionable. Successfully debuted at the Goodwood Festival of Speed in 2018 and driven by accomplished motoring journalist Henry Catchpole, who commented after his spirited run, "It's just hilarious. It's brilliant." Whilst on another outing, triple Le Mans 24-hour class-winning Aston Martin racing driver Darren Turner on Bruntingthorpe's aircraft runway was recorded at over 155 miles an hour before running out of tarmac. Offered for the first time since its inspired build, this bespoke road-registered Super Cygnet, when not being driven, has been regularly maintained by Aston Martin's own team of engineers, and when not being shown or demonstrated, professionally stored. Presented today in almost as new condition, just 2,900 miles have been covered since this little Cygnet first took flight in 2018. At ease, being driven in town or on the open road, the breadth of capability of this dazzling city supercar is quite remarkable, and undoubtedly its presence at car shows, concours or speed events would be welcome. Supplied with a fully documented technical specification, owner-operator manual, owner's handbook, tracker and immobilizer security, a bespoke fitted car cover, and distinctive model-related registration number. Unique and charismatic, the very special, one-off V8 Cygnet, according to our own tests, is guaranteed to put a smile on the face of any motoring enthusiast and is available for viewing and sale now at our Hertfordshire showrooms.